Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Blogs with Yashoda, where we simplify tech step by step. In today's video, we will be learning about the SQL functions in SSMS. So, whether you are just starting out in SQL or preparing for the interviews, this video will help you to understand how the functions works and where to use them in real life queries. So, let's start. What is the SQL functions? In SQL, a function is a built-in method or operation that performs a specific task, like calculating, formatting, and modifying the data. Functions help to make queries powerful, efficient, and readable. The use of functions are for perform the mathematical operations, format string operations, as well as work with the dates and times, summarize the data, convert data types like float to integer, get system information like username or DB versions. These are used to perform a specific operation on data directly within your SQL query. Now let's dive into the main types. The aggregate functions. First, we have aggregate functions. These are used when we want to calculate values from multiple rows. Like we want to count the each row, or we want to add some values. We want to find the average salary or average values, return the highest value or return the lowest value. We always use count, sum, average, max, mean. They are commonly used with the group by clauses. Next are string functions, which help us format or manipulate text. It have like length, upper, lower, substrings, and concat as well. So length gives the specific length of string. Upper and lower change the cases of the string. Substring extract parts of the text, and concat combines two or more settings. These are super powerful or super useful when working with the names or text columns. Now let's talk about the date functions. They help us work with date and time values. The getDate returns the current date and time. The DATEADD help us add days or months in a values. Date difference gives the difference between the two dates. The year getDate extract the current year from the current date like 2025. The format gives the format of the each date as per our need. Now, next we have numeric functions. These are useful for calculations. ABS gives the absolute values, round helps in rounding decimals, ceiling and floor is used to round the numbers up or down, and power calculates the exponents. They help make numeric data more accurate and presentable. Now, the conversion functions are used to change data types. The cast is used to convert one data type to another, while convert is similar but also allows formatting styles. For example, converting a float to an integer or a date into the text format. Now, lastly, we have system functions. This returns information about the database or the servers. Its SSMS name returns the current username, DB name returns the name of the current database, host name gives the machine name, and the version shows the SQL versions you are using. These are helpful for auditing, understanding your environment. So that's it for this video on SQL functions in SSMS from start to end. I hope this video made your learning smoother and cleaner. If you missed my previous videos, don't forget to check out them. The link is in the description box. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Blogs with Yashoda for more videos. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every learner. Thank you.